Okay. This is John Gift Tobia. How they pronounce your name?
Tobia.
Tobia. Okay, and they call her Tobia. Okay. This is John Gift Tobia. This is the guy that was sent to prison on the 6th of March 2027. He stayed in prison for 8 years, 4 months, and 10 days without trial. Today, a high court in Rivers State set him free and he was discharged unconditionally. So Gift, wetin you get to talk?
Well, na only God.
Talk
Only
loud make
God.
dem hear
Na only
you.
God. I need to say thank you. I need to thank God. After God, and you. You my God. After God, now you.
I no be God o.
No,
Na
for now
just
you're
God
my
do it.
God. Now
God
God
just use
use
me.
God use you, so you my God for now. You my God. You can only if you comot me for where I dey from bondage. Only if you give me joy wey I get like this now. You can't God go
So where I
bless you.
wan go from here?
Go. So I get transfer go home.
You go home. As you dey go home, bring your mind down, rest. And make sure say you call me from time to time make I know how you dey.
Yes.
I go try to see whether I go talk to 1 or 2 people. Anybody wey get something for you, I go tell them. You learn handwork?
No.
You no learn any handwork?
No.
No wahala. Which you go school?
No.
WAEC you no get?
Nobody did to support me to go to school.
Okay. But if you see who wan help you now make you learn work, you go learn work.
Yes.
No wahala. But you need to go home first, calm yourself.
Rest.
You get anybody wey you go fit stay with for Port Harcourt?
No.
Dem don forget you finish na, so you
I
no
need to
get.
go home.
No wahala, go home,
Yes.
relax first. If anything come out, I go let you know. So just dey call me.
Wow.
Mo dey go find where you go chop.
Voilà.